Everybody, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to create quiz type lightboxes, and let me show you how I do that real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on the design aspect. I'm just going to talk about a really simple quiz that we can do. And so we'll say, do you like cheese? Like that. I'm going to turn this off. We're going to turn this off. And what we're going to do is we're going to have two buttons. We're just going to have yes is option 1, and no is going to be option 2. So let's do no like that. Now yes is going to lead to an extra page 1, and we'll talk about that in a second, and no is going to lead to extra page 2. And let's just make this a red color, this button. So no border, background, let's make it red, and let's make the text also white and bigger like that. And then again, we want to obviously spend some more time on the design aspect, but this video is not about that designing. So now I'm going to go to extra page 1, and we're going to say something like, so they said they like cheese, and then what we're going to do is we're do another text box. We're going to say, great, you love cheese. And then we're going to say, what do you like more? And then we'll have another set of buttons, and we'll turn this button 1 on, and we'll say Swiss right here, and we'll do a button 2, and we'll say cheddar. Now, let's say that ends the quiz, right? So on Swiss, this ends the quiz. So this is going to go to extra page 4, let's say, and this will open up a new lightbox. So you can only have 4 extra pages. I guess we could use the thank you page in this case, so we'll just say show thank you page. And so let's go to extra page 4 now. And what we're going to do on this is we're going to add a form. Or add this here, and we're going to be like, we're going to add some text at the top, and we're going to say, great, you like, and I forgot what we put for that. So for Swiss, what do we put extra page 4? So what we're going to do here is, great, you like, sorry, I forgot already, Swiss. And so we'll go to page 4. Great, you like Swiss cheese. Enter your info in here. Enter your info here for your free Swiss cheese packet, or free Swiss cheese platter. That'd be nice, right? And so let's go through how that kind of all works and looks. And we'll do the rest. We skipped obviously a few steps here. So first says, do you like cheese? Yes. Great, you love cheese. Would you like more? Yes. Which one? What do you like more? I like Swiss. And then it ends us to this form right here. Now let's go back and let's go through cheddar. So if they click cheddar, they go to, we set it so it goes to the thank you page actually. So let's modify the thank you page, and we'll say, great, you love cheddar. I guess I spelled that wrong. Cheddar. Let's change that here too. Okay, great. Great, you love cheddar. Let's turn this off. Turn this off. Let's add a form. We're going to turn this form on. And we're going to enter your info below if you love for your info, for your cheddar guide. So that ends that sequence. Now, the one thing that we have to, so this is all set up. So now the other thing we have to think about is, what if they hit no? So with no, we also have extra page 2. And in this case, we could be like, okay, thanks for saying no. Or we can just make this, close the light box. If they don't like cheese, we'll just hit no. And so that's the whole sequence right there. Now, let's say you need more than, 5 types of things. You can also have this set up to open another light box, and then that could trigger a whole set of another 4 or 5 extra pages, using the thank you page as well. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Another cool tip is, you know, extra page, we can copy. This will help you guys a lot in designing this. A lot of times you spend a lot of time, designing the first screen, and you don't want to have to redesign the extra page again all over again, and you want to copy everything over. So one thing you can do is if you go in the layout section, you can copy the design settings over. Now I'll copy everything over, the form, if there are form exists over, and so you can copy the design settings over, and then you're so that's the first thing I would do when you're designing these. So that's the end of the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.